Are you excited about the crypto bull market? Well, I have some bad news for you. If you are like most crypto investors, you will miss this bull market. The best opportunity of this bull market is not what you think. Let's talk about it. If you are new here, I'm Julian, and on In the Blocks, I help you to become a blockchain developer. So Bitcoin is about to hit 100K. This is not a distant dream. This is finally happening right in front of us. There will be some resistance. We might see some pullback, but long term is huge because 100K is a psychological threshold. Once we go past this level, all hell will break loose and we will see a massive inflow into the market. All the stars are aligned. There was never such a good time to invest in the crypto market since 2021. Think about it. Crypto ETF, check. Pro crypto president, check. Gary Gensler, the famous anti-crypto head of the SEC, is on the way out, check. Central banks that are lowering interest rates, check. Booming economy, check. Polymarket, the first crypto app to reach consumer mass adoption, check. Modern infrastructure to support crypto developers, like a ton of APIs and developer tools, check. Crypto builders who get their motivation back, check. Your grandma asking you about the Bitcoin, check. So how could you not be excited about crypto right now? But it's not what you think. Most crypto investors will miss the bull market. What most people do. What are you going to do? Well, let's discuss your options. So the easiest thing is just to buy some Bitcoin and sell it later. No sophisticated trading strategy, you just keep it super simple. Most people think that they will be able to sell at the top. Some people say that the top will be in 6 months, some people say it will be in 9 months. How could you know? Well, there are so many factors to consider and a lot of it is due to chance. What if there is a new war? In the Middle East, things aren't looking too good. What if things go out of control with Russia? What if there's some unexpected bad economic indicators? So there's so many things that can go wrong. It's notoriously difficult to time the market. It's also very difficult to control your emotions. Let's say that you buy some Bitcoins once it reaches 100K, hoping to sell at 200K. Well, what if it reaches 200K, but it's going very fast and there's still a lot of momentum in the market and you are not sure if it's going to go higher or not? Can you imagine the FOMO that you are going to feel? If you keep it, it might go to 300K. Maybe. To solve this problem, you could DCA out. So DCA, or dollar cost averaging, is just a simple technique to buy and sell assets. So when you DCA out, the idea is to sell the same amount of asset for a certain duration to lower your risk and get a better selling price. So for example, if you buy Bitcoin now and you anticipate it's going to peak in 6 months, you could start to DCA out in, let's say, 3 months over a period of 3 months. So that's already better than trying to time the top, and you might make some money this way, but it's not the best way to get the most out of this bull market. There are way better opportunities out there. So the next option is to do some trading, and the main difference between trading and investment is just the duration. So trading can be anything between a few minutes to a few weeks. Investment is longer. So for trading, it's better to stick to the top coins because they have more liquidity, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. And when you trade, you will spend a lot in trading fees. So you want to make sure that you choose a market with a high liquidity because the trading fees will be lower. And when you do trading, you have to pick a specific strategy. And there are so many strategies to choose from. There is day trading where you buy and sell within a single day based on some technical indicator. There is a scalping where you identify a price trend and you hold your crypto for a period of time in order to profit from price swings. There is a range trading where you ride price movement contained in the range, and I could go on and on. There are just so many of them. So which strategy to choose? Well, it depends on your risk preference, but it's really hard to decide. You will find some experts that will tell you that day trading is better, some experts that will tell you that range trading is better, and it's impossible to verify how much money they've actually made with these strategies. You just have to believe them. So it is possible to make money with trading. I'm not saying the contrary, but if you want to reach that level, you have to spend a lot of time, you have to do a lot of research, you have to do some back testing, using some historical data. So at this point, it's almost like a job. You cannot just wake up at the last moment and decide that now you are a trader. So you don't improvise this, you have to be prepared. Most people who do crypto trading end up losing money. That's the reality. So the only winners are exchanges who collect trading fees. So I'm sorry to disappoint you, but it's not with trading that you are going to leverage this bull market. Okay, so what about meme coins? This is a new trend in crypto. The idea is that it's much harder to trade big coins because you are competing against whales. Whereas with meme coins, the liquidity is much more fragmented and you don't compete against whales. This is a level playing field. And there was a recent study that showed that up to 98% of meme coin traders lose money. Why? Because there are so many scams in meme coins. Again, a false good idea. Okay, so next idea. What about trading bots? So a trading bot can mean anything. It's just a way to trade programmatically. So you can implement any strategy with trading bot, like day trading, arbitrage, etc. And I've already made another video on trading bots, so I won't repeat myself here. But the TLDR is that with trading bots, you compete against professional teams that are much faster, much more knowledgeable than you, and have much more money. It is possible to make money with trading bots, but it's much harder than most people think. So if you want more info on trading bots, check this other video on my channel. Okay, so what else is out there? Which investment strategies we haven't reviewed? Well, we gotta think outside of the box. So investing in crypto is not the best way to leverage this bull market. I know, crazy idea. So what is it then? Making pizza? Well, all you see in the news is the crypto markets, the price action. And while you are obsessed with the price action, there is a whole industry that is moving very fast. What is a cryptocurrency? It's based on a technology, right? It's based on blockchain, and the blockchain industry is hiring. It is in desperate need of competent blockchain developers, and it offers top salaries for that. So you can start at $100,000 per year, and later, depending on which subniche you choose and how good you get, you can go up to 400K or even 500K per year when you're a senior. This is a solid plan. When there is a crypto bull market, it also attracts a whole army of crypto entrepreneurs, and this creates a huge imbalance in the job market. All of a sudden, you have this massive increase in the demand of blockchain dev, but the supply doesn't magically increase. This is why it's so much easier to get your first blockchain job during a bull market. And before you tell me, oh, so why don't you do it yourself if it's so good? Well, I am doing it myself, and I talked about it in another video. And because it's the bull market, I didn't even have to pass any interview to find some freelance customers. I just had to show them my CV, my GitHub, and that was it. So the best way to leverage this bull market is not to be a crypto investor, but to be a blockchain developer. And sometimes you can even combine both, but in a smarter way. Let me explain. So a lot of crypto projects pay you with fiat money, but also in crypto. And if they have a token, this crypto can be a part of your compensation. So for example, if you are early in a crypto project, you could get, let's say, 1% of the token supply. So if the project reaches 100 million market cap, that's 1 million for you. And a 100 million market cap is not impossible. Many projects are way above that, especially in a bull market. So 1 million in one trade, no need to spend hours every day trying to find the next little shitty trade in crypto. Of course, I'm not saying like every blockchain developer is going to get that, but that is a very nice possibility. For example, right now I'm working with a crypto project and I do have some token allocation. My estimation is that if this project is successful, it's going to be a very nice bonus of between 1 million to several millions. But this is just a bonus and I'm already more than happy with the base salary. So what matters is that long term, being a blockchain developer is a great career you cannot really lose. So don't be like everybody blinded by the crypto market. This is not where the gold lies. The gold is in blockchain development. And on November 29, I'm launching a brand new blockchain academy, the 30-day academy. So this is going to be a course platform based on challenges. You will have one challenge to complete per day for 30 days. Everything is based on text, challenges plus solution. Very simple, very efficient. And for the launch on Black Friday, I'm going to do a special deal. So to receive this deal, register with the link down below. All right, that's it for this video. See you next time. Bye.